Resto-Rob.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover all the entries in the Resto-Rob Clamp Challenge 2025. The challenge was to make a clamp, make it patriotic. Other tools are welcome as well. So sit back, relax, and check out these entries.
You magnificent bastard! I watch your videos!
Well, everybody, thank you for participating in this challenge that I put out. I know July's been hard on a lot of people, and I know there's a lot of people that wanted to participate, but due to work, heat, and vacation schedules, I understand totally. But I do challenge you that when you get back in the workshop to put together a video or post some pictures on Instagram of a clamp that you've done that's patriotic. So, but all the people that participated, thank you so much. I appreciate your entries. So, put a comment on what your favorite clamp was, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.